How's it going, everybody? My name is Kareem, and once again, this is my application, my daily inspiration. Welcome to week 4, first of all. All right. So this is pretty much what I got for my final submission. Let's get right into it. Matter of fact, for this one, let's go ahead and create a new user. So first off, we go to sign up. Marlon, I guess, wins. I guess that's what it is. I don't know. M wins. M wins at mail.com. And we're gonna do this password. We can call this one 1234. 1234. And we hit submit. Alright, so we successfully registered. There you go, home. Alright, so we'll type in M wins as the username, password 1234. Alright, so welcome back, M wins. This is the user homepage once again. For week 4, what I added was the ability to add quotes and also ability to add quotes to your favorite list. Alright, so right off the bat, so right now I got everything set up with the star being the favorite icon. So if you see a quote here that you like, you hit the favorite icon and then it refreshes the page, and as you can see, the favorite has been added to the list with number 1, and so on and so forth. The common feature in itself, it's still fully functional. Marlon wants to test the comment feature, and then we check it. By Marlon wins, so we still get a little bit of it'll pop up. Add quotes. You can add a quote in this region, on this side. Keep on trying. Winners never quit. Alright. Hit add a quote. Adds it right here. It also puts it into the database itself. Where I can show you that in this section under quotes. So as you can see right here, keeps on trying. Winners never quit. Added to the quotes table itself. Let's see. Edit profile. You can go ahead and edit the profile itself. Marlon wins and wins. Say for example, you wanted to add it, change his last name from Waynes to Williams. Marlon Williams. You hit update. It gives you the success message. Sends you back to the home page. But if you check the database in itself under users, as you can see, it has been changed to Marlon Williams. There's also the delete profile. It gives you a warning message to actually make sure that you want to do the delete. Go ahead with the delete. Let's hold off on that for a second. Yeah, and then you got the logout feature. Logs you out. If I can real quick, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, the comment isn't there. Unless that's a common feature. Yes, I have to have a slight bug. I have to figure out what's causing it to not pop up. But Either way, with the delete profile, it asks if you want to delete the profile. You hit yes. User profile has been successfully deleted. This last page, still have to work on the styling in this one. And takes you back to the home. You go home, and then you go over to the database. You go to users, and as you can see, Marlon has been deleted from the database. My code section. Well, what you're looking at right now initially is a verified login controller. It's the first thing that runs when the user types in the username, password, and then they hit this login button right here. It runs this function. It goes to the index, it checks the database, make sure that the username and the password matches, and if everything succeeded, then it runs the load page function, which is this right here. So it just loads the page. Users.php is where most of my meat is stored. Has the index, favorites functions, the comment update functions, the quote update, update user, database update, as a delete message, delete profile function itself, and the logout function. The landing is just the basic view, the default controller when you load up the application. That pops up right there. The create user is what verifies the registration form. Make sure that username and password are required in order for the point of the process. I think that's about it. I think my user model in itself, my user model is quite extensive. This is basically where everything. I just literally have one model where I have all my logic stored. So from getting the users, adding the favorites, selecting the favorites, selecting the quote, setting the users, editing the users, the login, the get quote. I have a function on grabbing the quote ID. I'm using the quote ID result to get the comment as well. Using the username to set comments. This is where I'm just accessing the database or manipulating. Set quotes. Get details. This is where I delete the user. After a few filter conditions. And yeah, my views. This is my different views. For the comments, this is my delete success, delete warning. It's the home page. This is the quote view, which let me log in so I can kind of show you guys. Okay, so yeah, the quote view. So is this pretty much this div, this top div that you're looking at right here? There's registration form. The spotlight view is basically these three tables that you're looking at. Have all these as one individual tables, table here, and there's a table here as well. Success message is when the message you get when the user registers. This is when you edit your profile. This is the update view in itself. When you click on edit profile, is this view right here. User details. This was a test view that I was working on, which is basically just has a for each loop that just kind of loops through and echoes out every single user that is in the database, the username and the email. User main is this is basically the top portion of the page itself. So the user main is this region right here with the logout, the H1, and my little welcome back message. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for my my application. Once again, my name is Kareem. I hope everybody else had fun this month, and wish you guys the best of luck coming towards the end. Just the last race, week 4, my daily inspiration. Thank you.